Ooh, is it crap? Today we're gonna see if Lucas oil stabilizer actually makes your engine sound better. I'm not gonna say fixed because I already did a video, and when I said fix your engine, everyone went crazy and they said, no way that stuff's gonna fix a bent rotten engine. I didn't mean fix. I meant really make it less noisy than its current state that it was. We're gonna make the whole town deaf. Obviously it's not gonna fix a bent rod, but there is one engine condition in which all you need is a bit of lubrication to stop the knock. You know, all this stuff will really do is thicken up your oil like a phone in bubble wrap to ship it. So if it were dropped, it'll take some of the impact. We're gonna see. I already saw then, but it didn't have too much of an impact to my ears anyway in the day. But my father says it sounds a lot better now, 6 months later. So we'll see.
Yeah, live knocking beats. Give it a knocking ramp.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Molasses.
The one you just heard was before. Not to confuse anybody. Don't get confused, everyone. This is after. Can't hear any knock.
Yeah, live knocking beats. Give it a knocking ramp.
Oh, it's not dead. I gotta put on the start.
Hiss thing. Yeah.
You can see it even gets quieter when it cools down. I think it's definitely ready for some town stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe a little on the high end. You can faintly hear something. I had to charge it up because it was totally dead. I mean, gotta say, yeah, it definitely does. Might take a little while to get into all the nooks and crannies of your engine, but looks pretty good.